In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix TikTok account not found. There are a few reasons why you can't find a TikTok account. The first reason could be the account was deactivated on TikTok. The owner of the account deactivated their account on TikTok. It could be due to the fact that the owner blocked you on TikTok. Those individuals who block you on the platform are profiles that you can find on TikTok once you search it, since these individuals blocked you on TikTok. Now, for example, this individual is currently visible on my inbox since this individual haven't blocked me yet. Now, once I head over to his profile, I'll be able to view his TikTok post. Now, once this individual blocks me on the platform, I won't be able to view their posts anymore. Or it could also be due to poor internet connection. So the best thing that you can do if you experience this is to check your internet connection. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this guide helped you out. If it did, please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe.